Hello. In this session, we will be discussing about multiple response analysis. In multiple response analysis, generally in a questionnaire, if we have a question like this, which of the following activities you do for healthy living? I'm asking a respondent, what are the activities like yoga, meditation, jogging, dancing, aerobics you do for your healthy living? So the respondent will be giving whether he is doing yoga, yes or no, meditation, yes or no, jogging, dancing, aerobics. He is answering each question as a separate option. Means some people can do yoga and meditation. Some people do yoga and may go for even jogging. It is their choice. So when we have a question like this, we want to know on the over, like how many people are doing yoga and how many people are doing meditation, not as individual but as a combined. When you want to do, we use this method called as multiple response analysis. I have collected a questionnaire with a data of around 50 respondents. So each respondent will individually give his answer, like for yoga, how many are saying yes or no, like no, this person says no, he's not doing yoga but he's doing meditation and is not doing any other activities. So this, in this way, we have multiple response for 5 questions. To analyze this, simple, if you want to do individual analysis, we go for descriptive statistics, frequency, and if I take all these variables and if I simply see it, I get to information. Yoga, people said no, 34 members, and 16 members said yes, they are doing yoga. Meditation, you can see 84% people are doing meditation, no, and yes, 16 people are saying yes, they are doing meditation. So in this way, we got individual informations, but you want to do combinedly. How many people are doing yoga and how many people are doing meditation within 50 members combined? Then we must use a method called as multiple response analysis. So I'll show the procedure how to do this multiple response analysis. In the SPSS, we'll go for analysis. In analysis, we have an option called multiple response. First, we need to create or define variable set. Variable set is number of questions which you are considering for multiple response. Define variable set. In this variable set, take all the 5 questions which you want to do as a multiple response. I have taken all the 5, and in dichotomous, yes means 1 and 0 means no, I have kept. So I want to know yes primarily, so I said 1 and give a name to it. The name we have used is question 1, so I use the same question 1. Label it also as a question 1. So this data set totally became one set. Now I have added and closed. So in the first step, I have created multiple response data variable set I have created. Now I want to see the frequencies. So the question set I created, which is Q1 response set, I'll take and I say now OK. Now we can see here for the multiple responses, yoga total out of 50 members, 16 members are doing yoga, 22 members are going for jogging, 10 members are interested in dancing, and aerobics, 9 members are doing aerobics. So percentage wise also I got here, I got highest one is jogging, number of respondents for healthy living, they think jogging, and next followed by yoga, and followed by some people going for dancing and aerobics, and meditation. So individual, if you do, we get like individual responses, but you want to combine set of variables and want to know multiple responses. I can do this with multiple response analysis. This questionnaire which I asked is a dichotomous yes or no type of questions which I've clubbed, and I got the response as multiple response analysis. Thank you.